Alright, so I got my 35mm with a little hole in there. I'm going to grab my tree out of the oven, and we will take it, slide it inside the tube like so. That's how we get it in there. Let's see. Oh, get this. Get this melted in really good. The only thing about making these inserts with a little handle, I mean, I need something to hold on to when I'm making the tree. When I stick it inside the ball, I got to remember it's a handle that I cannot touch, because it's been sitting in the oven at 1,000 degrees, and although it doesn't look like it's hot, when you touch it, you find out otherwise. So what we're doing here is we're melting the tree into the bottom of the test tube. All right, we can stick it in the lathe now. Blow hose. And I can see I should probably get a didymium filter on my phone, so I can kind of see what I'm doing a little better. Yeah, without the didymiums, you can't see anything. I can see that now. So when I'm making these ornaments, I have a couple different shapes. I either make them pointy on the top and pointy on the bottom, or a round ball. This one's going to be pointy on the top and the bottom. I think I'm going to get down on the lower level. Sinking down, sinking down, sinking down. There we go. So I'm going to collapse the front of the top of the ornament down. Still going to leave a little restriction in there so I can blow. So we got the shape pretty much already done. I'm just gonna blow out the center a little bit, make it more flowing. And, you know, we're basically done now. So, that's pretty much it. You know, you make the inside piece. It could be anything. It could be a figurine. It could be a flower. It could be a Christmas tree. It could be a snowman. Gonna use a glove because can't really touch that with my hands. And tomorrow we'll pull off the tube and we'll put a ring on it, melt that in, and then it'll be a hanging ornament. There you go. Thanks for watching. That was fun.